today's video. This is another synthetic wig review. This wig that I'll be reviewing is by Outre and it is brand spanking new, and I have been eyeing it for I don't know how long on the website, so I'm so excited that Sam's actually sent me this unit. Yes, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Outre lace front 6-inch deep parting, and this one is called Amara, and I have her in the color 2T30, and that is the color that the model is wearing on the stock card. I'll go ahead and take her out the package. So I tried this color in another unit. It was called I think that unit was called Monroe, and I liked it. It was okay. I wasn't crazy about it, but I darkened it at the roots, and then I really liked it a lot. So this is what the unit looks like on the stock card. And oddly enough, this is a different unit by Outre that came out literally at the same time, and these two units look almost identical, so I wanted to review both of them. This one is the Kassidy unit and this one is Amara. So as you can see, the stock cards look very similar. So I did want to review both of the units. This one is the Kassidy. I do have a review up on this unit, so you can go ahead and click back and check out this the review for this unit. But let's go ahead and jump into Miss what unit is this one? This one is Amara. So the color is really pretty. I really like it. Same 6-inch deep parting, same soft Swiss lace, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. The parting space looks the same as the other one. So yeah, looking at the unit, honestly, I do think that these waves are a little bit bigger than these. Yeah, these waves look a little smaller than these waves, to be honest. But the cut looks almost exactly the same. So the only thing that I would say is different is literally just the size of the waves. Let's see if there's any difference in the density as well. This one seems like maybe it's a bit thinner. Or it could just be because the volume of the waves. Put all of it in my hand. Put all of it in my hand. Actually, the density feels about the same. Yeah, the density is about the same. I think it's just a matter of curl size. That's really the only difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this unit off and pop this one on. All right, so this is Miss Wig on my head. So again, this unit is literally exactly the same as the other one, except these waves are bigger. And I feel like this one, the texture is a little easier to like finger comb out. The other one was just like, boo, don't even play yourself trying to finger comb that or trying to do anything like that, because she is not about that life, okay? But this one, I would definitely say the texture lends itself a little more to being combed out, but these units just feel tangly. Like, I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. Y'all know that I do. These units just feel tangly, but to me, it's not the type of unit that you need to be running your fingers through anyway. This is the type of unit that just, you know, she just sits pretty. She just sits and just gives off all types of vibes. Like, I really do like this unit. Usually with units like this, I will add a dark root, because sometimes I think it really calls for it, but this one, I really don't feel that pressed about adding a dark root. I love this color. As I said, I've tried this color before and wasn't too happy with it, but that's why you have to try a color in all different shapes, sizes, curl patterns, you know, because the color may work, but it just didn't work for that style. So let me turn around so you can see this unit from all sides. You guys, so I definitely love this unit. I honestly think maybe I like this unit a little better than the other one, only because the curl pattern is bigger. It seems like it has a little bit more volume, and I'm really digging this color, especially for the summer, the spring. It just seems like it's so appropriate. I absolutely love it. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. I think it's super cute. I love. Once again, Outre slayed both of these units. I think they both are dope and absolutely worth trying out for yourself. But if you were curious like me, what in the heck was the difference between Kassidy and Amara? Hopefully I helped to answer that question. All right, you guys, make sure you're checking me out on all my social media at Jess the Dragoness. Check out my wig blog for all the little stuff that I'm doing. www.jessthedragoness.com. Make sure you're checking me out if you live in the DMV area for events. That is www.melaninclassic.com, and you can also follow us on social media at Melanin Classic. And what else? I don't know. I think that's it, you guys. Make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos because they are so lit.